My question to you, my technical viewers in the know, is what should I be using for a microphone? I'm filming right now with a Canon Power Shot camera. I usually buy, they're outdated usually, $150 or so. The reason I use these is if it gets destroyed, I can replace a $150 camera. And accidents happen in the shop. Side stands get retracted or deployed, and cameras get bumped off the lift, and these things happen. Sometimes they just wear out. What should I use for a microphone? Assuming I'm going to continue using the same cameras. So perhaps I should record a separate audio track, a lapel mic or something, a better boom mic. There's going to be times when I'm going to be turning and facing a different direction, of course. So maybe some sort of device attached to my body somewhere would work. I'm not really into Bluetooth. I'd really prefer corded things. So maybe this would be an MP3 I carried on me with a cord with a mic. I'm old. I've never owned an MP3 player. Showing my age here. And that is my question. What should I use to record audio on a separate track from video? Thank you for your expertise and your time. Good day. I like that. Hopefully it's recording. It is. Would have sucked if it wasn't recording, huh?